Behind me is my 2018 WRX that we're putting back to stock, and today we're doing the taillights. These here are the OEM taillights for the WRX, and I've loved them ever since I laid my eyes on them. I also got the brake light down here to match with it. But since I'm putting this car back to stock, let's go find my stock taillights and show you how to install taillights. Come over here to my giant pile of car parts. I got car parts for this car here, my car here. I got my buddy's cars in my shop, and I share my shop with my buddy Chris. My giant pile of parts is here, and if you know anything about this car, this is my Starion that's getting a 2J swap. That is also on this channel. But right here, I have my OEM taillight box, and for some reason, I have a third one. Somebody gave me a third one, which is pretty cool. Never used it. Obviously, I only have 2 lights on my car, and just got a spare left, so you can put that right there. Normally, I'd like to be a kid on Christmas and open up some really cool new car parts for a car, but no, since we're putting her back to stock, obviously I'm putting my stock parts back on the car. And it's really funny because I forgot that I had put the tint over that, so this will look super interesting back on the car. I can't believe it, guys. This is going to be nuts. This car has been absolutely great to me. Everything I've done to it, I was making 350 wheel. Now all those parts will be coming back off the car. She's going to be leaving me. So if you want to see anything else going on with this car, subscribe, because I've got tons of videos coming out on it right now, including how to swap your taillights. Alright, so let's just pop the trunk. Oh, I guess my car is either dead or my trunk is popped. Oh shit. Yeah, I think my car's dead. Fuck. Pop the trunk. Like so. Now to access the taillight, you gotta take this part off here. And to make it really easy, all you have to do is just pop it over like that. Okay, now the best way I can show you what it looks like from the back is to show you on this one. What you're going to see on the back, you have 1 bolt here and 2 bolts towards the outside of the car, towards this outside piece right here, and then the plug. Just pop that out like so, and accessed right here, you can see your 3 bolts you have to get. There's also this harness that goes down to my 3rd brake light right here, or 4th. Whatever you want to call it, 4th brake light, because I guess the 3rd brake light is technically right behind the letters right there. This is the factory plug from the car, and this is the plug for the taillight. Now 3 bolts, and this thing should just literally pull right out. 8mm. Two. And then you gotta pull this off to get to the 3rd. Just gotta very carefully pry right there, because that's where the clip is. As you can see, gonna feed the harness in, and then taillight is out. Alright, so now you just gotta line that clip up for that outer piece, and nice and carefully, try not to scratch your car, line the holes up like that. Put the bolts back, and the side is on. And don't forget to plug it back in and put this piece back on the stud. This way, it's all factory. And now with those 2 clips back out again, this side just does the same thing. You can just fold it like this. A little wiggle, just like that. This side's out as well. Alrighty, and now that both sides are buttoned up, check it out. I am back to stock, and you should be back to your aftermarket taillights. It really is that simple to just work on your own car, especially to do things like that. Took me, I don't even know how long this video was, maybe 3 or 4 minutes, but it took me like no time at all to get that done. Now those will go to somebody who needs them, and my car is gonna go away now. So hope you enjoyed the video. If it helped, hit the thumbs up button. You want to see anything else going on with this car, or if you're interested in my 2JZ swap car I'm doing over here, subscribe, because you don't want to miss any of this stuff. Take care. Have a good one.